Hi. Welcome to the setting up of TagAL extension. We will follow this agenda during this video. We will start by tag plan setup to activate tag CMMS. After that we will create users and set the user's permission. After getting the tag key for tag plan CMMS, we must define the tag uses. Then, initial data setup. The tag need as a basic data. This will auto-populate default value. Finally, assign permissions from tag user setup to the users we just enabled. First, let's begin to activate tag CMMS after receiving the registration key. Select Tag Maintenance Setup. Click on the Tag Controls. Click on Actions menu. Tag Licensing option. Copy the registration key that you received and passed in the tag key field. Select Validate Tag Key. The expected result in our case. Our tag plan will be set to value CMMS. Our expiry date will be populated. Our expiry reminder will be populated. Unlicensed users will be populated. This key enables your free CMMS. Let's go and set the user's permission. Return to the dashboard. Enter users in the top right search button. As you know, tag-free CMMS offer is for a maximum of 3 Business Central users. Let's start to assign administrator user to demo tag and set the user's rights. Admin user should be used to perform initial tag setup, as the user must have the ability to assign permission sets in Microsoft 365 Business Central. Select the demo tag user. Hit Edit menu to open the card. The General Fast tab allows to define general information of the user, as the username, the license type, full user, limited user or other options. The state of user, we can disable it if needed. The Windows Authentication Fast tab allows to define the Windows username. The Business Central Password Authentication allows to define the password. Office 365 Authentication allows to define the permission set as super. This role has all permission. The admin user ID should be assigned these 2 tag permission sets, as well as super. After creating the new user, you can now add the user already created in Tag Licensing tag users. In our case, we will use only the demo tag user assigned as administrator to finish all the steps. Return to the dashboard. Click on the Tag Control. Click on Actions menu. Tag Licensing option. Select the user account and choose the related company. In our case, we have 2 company, Cronus Canada and My Company. Select Tag Cronus Canada. Hit Tag User. If we don't select the tag usage checklist related to the user can't make any change in tag environment. We can now initialize tag. This will auto-populate default value so that you can operate the software right now. You can always delete or modify those values later. Go back to tag controls. Select the action menu. Hit initialize default value. One more step and you are good to go. We need to assign permissions to the users we just enabled. Go under Tag User Setup. The initial admin user to set tag plan will be added automatically to Tag User Setup. There is a limitation of the number of users allowed to use tag as described in tag licensing. This list defines how each user can work with tag functionality. A tag user must exist in order to post a work order. Let's start to assign profile role. Return to dashboard. Select settings in the right top corner. Hit My Setting option. Open the user personalization for role-tailored client. Assign the validating user profile tag maintenance manager. Restart Microsoft 365 Business Central by sign out and sign in. The new dashboard appears of the selected profile. At this point, you can navigate in the software and start discovering on your own, or you can follow the step-by-step self-install video.